Hello students, today we have to move for the next continuation part in the lesson carbon and its compound. Yesterday I told you two types of hydrocarbon, three types of hydrocarbon in the sense the compounds which are having hydrogen and oxygen, they are called as the hydrocarbons. There are the three types of our hydrocarbon categorized as a three types. One is called as the alkanes group of hydrocarbon, the second one is alkene group of hydrocarbon, and the third one is alkyne group of hydrocarbon. Okay, now I will teach you which are the alkane group of hydrocarbon. Yes, the alkanes. What are alkanes actually? The compounds which have a carbon-carbon single bond. Carbon-carbon single bond between them, they are called as the alkanes. Alkenes means the compounds which have a carbon-carbon double bond between them, they are called as the alkenes group. And alkynes means the compounds which have a carbon-carbon triple bond between them, they are called as the alkynes. I told you already, double single bond, double bond and the triple bond will represented by the sharing of, okay, based on the sharing of electrons. Single bond represent the two pairs of electrons shared each one pair of electrons shared each other. Double bond represent the two pairs of electrons shared each other, and triple bond represent the three pairs of electrons shared each other. Let's move. Today we have to know about the alkanes group of hydrocarbon. So in this, to write the alkane, alkene or alkynes group of hydrocarbon, first four we have to know that. Yesterday only I told you. So then we can know about the next remaining thing. Okay, for the first four, to remember the first four, yesterday I told you to keep one formula to remember, that is the monkey eat peeled banana. So if you know this formula, you can easily write the first four hydrocarbon. Which formula? Monkey eat peeled banana. Okay, so in this you have to take the first letters of this. Okay, mark the first letters. In a monkey you have to take a M, and in eat you have to take E, and in peel you have to take the P, and in banana you have to take B. Okay, so M stands for here what? That is the methane. M stands for methane, having the carbon atom 1. Okay, then the second one, E stands for what here? Ethane. Ethane is the second alkanes group of hydrocarbon, having a carbon atom 2. And P stands for propane. Propane is the third hydrocarbon, alkanes group of hydrocarbon, having a carbon atom 3. Then B stands for butane. Butane is the fourth hydrocarbon, alkanes group of hydrocarbon, having a carbon atom 4. So like that we can write. Next I told you the Greek number: pentane, hexane, heptane, then octane, nanane, decane. Like that it will continue. Okay, so today we have to know about how to write the molecular formula, then the structural formula, and the electron structure. So first we have to take the methane. So alkanes, general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. You have to note down that general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Methane having a carbon atom 1. Okay, carbon atom 1. Here n represent what? Number of carbon atom. That means C1H2 into 1 plus 2. Nothing but here C, it is understood there will be the one carbon atom. So H, 2 ones are 2 plus 2 is 4. That is the CH4. CH4 is the molecular formula of molecular, MOLECULAR, molecular. I wrote the short form here. Molecular formula of what? Methane. Okay, molecular formula of methane. So let us know how to write the structural formula of methane now. Okay, structural formula. So one carbon atom will be there. Carbon is having a 4 valency electron. So around it you have to draw the four single bond. Okay, always carbon want to have a 4 like that bond, because this bond, these 4 bond represent carbon donates 1 electrons to the hydrogen. To how many hydrogen here? To the 4 hydrogen. hydrogen, because carbon having the 4 valency electron. Yesterday only I told you, carbon C6H12, that is the 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2 is the electronic configuration. Here it required a p to fulfill this p orbit, it required 4 electrons. Okay, so that's why carbon received that 4 electrons from the hydrogen, one on hydrogen, because hydrogen is having a 1s1 in the sense electronic configuration. It also needs a 1 electron to fulfill the s orbit, right? So that's why carbon is receiving the 1 electrons. Okay, 1 different 1 electrons from which orbit? From the which orbit, not from which atom? From the hydrogen atom. Hydrogen also receiving 1 electron. So like that, sharing of electrons will be takes place and form a bond, that is the 1 electrons will be shared, that's why it is called as a single bond. Okay, so this is carbon. Around, always keep in mind, around the carbon there will be the 4 single bonds like that. Okay, 4 single bond represent the sharing of 4 electrons to the hydrogen atom. So this thing is called as a structural formula. Okay, if we are writing like that, this thing is called as what? Structural formula. Let us know how to write the electron dot structure. Now it is the electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. Let us know how to write the electron dot structure for the methane. How it should be? Write like that only. Carbon, around the carbon there will be the hydrogen. Don't write the bond, that's all. You have to write how it should be, the structural formula there, except the bond, except the bond. Then carbon electrons should be marked with star, like that. Okay, carbon electrons you should mark with a star, like that. Then hydrogen electrons should be marked with a dot. Hope you will understand. Okay, hydrogen electrons represent the dots and carbon electrons will represented by the stars. If you are marking like that, so yes, hydrogen having a 1 electron and receives 1 electron from the carbon, I told you, and make a bond. So that is 1. It is receiving. Hydrogen is receiving 1 electron and to fulfill its orbits. Now hydrogen is fulfilled by its orbit, because it receives the 1 electron from the carbon. In the same way, carbon is also receives the 4 electron from the 4 different hydrogen. Okay, and fulfill its orbit. Yes, carbon is receiving a 1 hydrogen electron, dot represent. Okay, hydrogen electrons, it receiving a 1 hydrogen electrons and fulfill its bond. Like that we can write the electron dot structure. Electron dot structure of what? This is the electron dot structure of methane. It is the electron dot structure of methane. Methane having a carbon atom 1. Hope you will understand that. Next we have to write the same way, molecular formula, structural formula and electron dot structure of ethane. Let us take ethane. So if you know this, it is easy. You only want to work out up to decane. If you are working out, it is easy for you. In the same manner you have to work out. Yes, general formula is CnH2n plus 2. If you know the general formula, that is easy to write the molecular formula. Let us write the molecular formula of ethane. Molecular formula of ethane. So which is carbon atom? Ethane means carbon atom here 2. Methane 1. Carbon atom 2 for the ethane. So that is at the place of n we want to substitute 2 C2H2 into 2 plus 2. That nothing but C2H 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6. C2H6 is the ethane molecular formula. Ethane molecular formula. So let us write now structural formula for this, for the ethane. Structural formula. So how to write the structural formula? How many carbon atoms are there? First you have to write. So how many carbon atoms are there here? 1, 2. 2 carbon atoms are there, right? Okay. 2 carbon atoms are there. Next. So let us write. I told you already, between the carbon atom or around the carbon atom, there must and should will be the 4 bonds. Okay, here one bond. Alkanes always a single bond, I told you already. Here one bond around this. Okay, carbon atom 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, around this one already is there, remaining 3 2 3 and 4. Yes, 4 bonds will be enough. So where the bonds are ended, there you should write the hydrogen. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is the hydrogen. So total hydrogen atoms are 6 and the carbon atom is 2. So this is the